With RapidPipeline's plugin in Maya, users can reduce the mesh complexity all while being able to preserve important details. In this example, the source model has about 150,000 polygons. If you wanted to make this model ready for real-time or games, then we need to decrease the number of polygons. RapidPipeline offers a variety of actions that cover the most used optimization tasks. This time we need the decimate action. Let's lower the total phase count of the model from 150,000 to just 50,000 polygons. You can also enable a feature called Preserve Topology, which preserves topological features like holes during decimation. But in this case, we don't need it, so let's just stick with the defaults. Make sure to select the model or the parts you want to process and hit run. And here's our output model at 1/3 of the original polygon count, and all details were correctly preserved. This reduces file size and memory usage while improving rendering performance. With RapidPipeline, optimizing complex 3D assets is fast, effective and easy. Try it for free or chat with our human team on the website.